What is up, RC fam? Alright, somebody direct messaged me and asked me to do a video about the train set. Alright, I've been building this train set for about 3 years. It's 2 levels. It's 15 feet long, 2 levels. It goes down in the back, comes up on this side. There's a split here. I'm not done yet. I still need an off track for here so I could incorporate the fire station and the fire train with the whole rescue town theme I got going on. I guess the center point of the is Dante's Inferno, which I really love. Man, I really like Beetlejuice, so Dante's Inferno had to go on the board. The train itself has a remote control. Okay, train's got a remote control, and there's a bunch of little RC cars that we could drive around. We could drive around the board. Uh-oh. Taking off. Get away from the cat. Hey. Take it easy, cat. Alright, so that's the whole train. There's a town over here. A little trailer with a working TV in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But there is a whole little town. Little farm. Animals. They're all knocked over at this point. This little tractor runs on a wire. It's got a little sensor in front of it. And there's a wire that goes all the way around the loop here. And the tractor runs the loop, which is pretty cool. I don't know if it has any charge in it. Let's see. We can turn it on. I'll find the switch. Would be even better. Oh boy. Oh, it's so dead. But it does work. Hasn't worked in a while, but I gotta charge it. Oh, it's dragging the thing. Alright. Pulling away. It's running over the bush. Alright, let's shut it off. What I gotta do is I gotta clean this whole grid. This way everything can run the way it's supposed to, but that's it in a nutshell. There's a whole city. If you look, there's Darnell's garage, Christine sitting in there. In front of the music store, of course, you got the Bluesmobile. Let's see. You got Starsky and Hutch sitting in front of the police station. You got last of the big V8s sitting out in the outback. The A-Team. Probably in one of those houses, planning some kind of mission. I don't know. A little flatbed. There's a couple of car haulers. That's the car lot. Sell some nice cars over there. And the fire station. Little truck depot. Oh, these guys are having some issues. The train stop. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.